So students, in previous class we have completed in this revision chapter in page number 88 we have completed up to C. Up to C we have completed in which in page number, is it page number 88? Yes. In this page number we have completed 9th bit C. Up to here we have completed. Now let us look at D. Only one is remaining in this bit. After that we will move to the next bit. 7169. What is the heading first of all? Arrange in columns and subtract. So 7169 minus 2385. This is the question. What you have to do first? Arrange in columns. 7169 minus 2385. After arranging, what you have to do? You have to subtract them. Yes. 9 minus 5 how much? 4. Here carry. You will get 16. 16 minus 8? 8. Here it is 0. Here again carry. 10. 10 minus 7? 10 minus 3? 7. Here you will remain with 6. 6 minus 2? 4. Okay. Here you are not carrying 16 here. You will get 10. For carrying always you will get 10. But why I am writing 16 here? 10 is a carry plus this one is there, no? Here 6 plus 6. That's why I am writing directly 16. Okay. Don't confuse. I am not carrying 16 directly. I am carrying only 10. But I am adding this number. 6 to the 10. What will you get? 16. 4784 is the number. So this is called the difference number. This is difference, no? This is the difference value. For that difference, you have to add the smallest number. What is the smallest number? Among these two numbers, 2385 is the smallest number, no? So we have to check. I am telling this all for checking purpose, whether you did correct or not. If you are having any doubt, you can check like this. We got difference. For this difference, you have to add the smallest number, 2385. Okay. 4 plus 5 how much? 9. 8 plus 8 how much? 16. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 1, 11. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7169. Did you get this? So, this value is correct. This is for checking whether you got correct value, difference or not. Okay. This is how you should follow. If you are having any doubt, you can check. Or if you are very confident with your answer, you can write just the answer. No need to check. Okay. So with this D, we have completed our 9th bit. Okay. Now let us move to the 10th bit. What is that? Multiply. Multiplication. You have to do the multiplication here. What you have to do? Multiply. First question. 134 into 17. Okay. If you know the 17 table, you can do directly. But most people will not remember 17 table, because if you don't know that table also, you can do directly. First you have to do with 7, then you have to do with 1. No need to worry. But try to remember the 17 table. If you don't remember also, it's okay if you are perfect with the multiplication. Okay. 7, first you have to do the multiplication with 7. 7 4s are 28. Okay. 7 3s are 21. Here 2 carries there. 21 plus 2 how much? 23. Okay. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Next. Here, leave 1 digit here. 1 4s are 4. Okay. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. Okay. Here you have to add all this. 8. 3 plus 4. 7. 9 plus 3, 12, 2, 2, 7, 8. 2278 is the answer. Once again we will check, okay, whether we did correct or not. 7 4s are 28, 2 carry 8 here. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2, 2 carry no, 23. 7 1s are 7, here 2 carry we got 9, 7 plus 2 9. Next you have to do with 1, 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1. Okay, here you have to add both. Okay, 8 you got here, 3 plus 4 7, 9 plus 3 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 2 7 8. Okay, if you are going from, you have multiplication you did with 7, after that here you have to leave one digit and then start. Okay, don't start from here, you have to keep multiplication, means here from here you should not start, that's why I am keeping this cross mark. You have to start from the next digit. Okay, like that you have to do. The answer is 2278. Okay, next question is B. 262 into how much? Into 38. Okay, 262 into 38. So you have to do the multiplication into 38. First you have to do with 8, then you have to do with 3. 8 2s are 16, 1 carry. Okay, 8 6s are 48, here you are having 1 plus 1 means 49. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 20. Now we have completed multiplication with 8. So start from the next digit here. 3 2s are 6, 3 6s are, 3 6s are how much? 18. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Completed no? First we did with 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16 we got. 8 2s are 16. 6 here, 1 here. 6 8s are 48. 6 8 8 6s and 6 8s are both are same. 8 6s are 48. Here we are having 1 no, so 9. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. Okay. Next one. 3 2s are 6. 3 6s are, here we will get carry 18. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So now add both these. Here we will get 6, 9 plus 6 15. Here 8 plus 1 9. Here 7 plus 2 9. 9 9 5 6 is the answer. Okay. Now let us see the next one. Is it clear how to do this multiplication if there are 2 digits? Okay. First you have to do with one number. Then you have to leave one place here, one digit, first digit, from right to left, first digit you have to leave. Then with second number you have to multiply and write below this. Okay, then you have to add. B is completed. So next one, what is the next one? C. 272 into 24. Now let us do this. First do with 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 7s are 28. 2 carry. 4 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. Okay. This one is completed. Next one. Is it clear? 4 2s are 8. 4 7s are 28. You add 2 carry here. Okay. 4 7s are 28. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10 no. It is not 3 table, it is 4 table. Okay. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. You got here. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. 1 carry 4 here. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Okay. So how you have to do this? You have to add here. I left one place here. First do with 4, leave one digit here, and then do with 2. Now you have to add all this. Here you got 8, 8 plus 4 12, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. Okay, 6528 is the answer. What is the next question? The last question is 6528 is the answer. Next one is D. 653 into 12. How to do? First start with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry, 0 here. 2 6s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. First one is completed. With 2 we have multiplied. Next, leave one place. Next, 1 3s are 3. 1 5s are 5. 1 6s are 6. So add both these, you will get 6 3 8 7. 7836 is the answer. Okay. Like this you have to do the multiplication. First, what you have to do? You have to multiply with the first number. After completion you have to leave one place and then you have to do with the second number. Here we did with 2 first, left one place and did with 1. Okay, like that. After that we have to add, you will get the answer. Okay. So with this D question, you have completed the 10th bit in your page number 88. Okay. Now we will move to the 11th bit. What is that? Divide and check your answer. He said divide and check your answer. Division we can do, but how to check? How to check? How you will check? Division we can do, we will get quotient, we will get remainder. But how to check whether you did correct or not? So we will discuss how to divide and how to check in these 4 questions. Okay, first one is A. What is that A? 4169 divided by how much? 9. So let us see how to do this. Okay, 9. With 9 we have to divide this 4169, 4169. Let us do the division and let us see how to check our process whether it is correct or not. So in 9 table, are you going to get 41? No, but you are going to get a lesser number. What is that? 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. So what is the difference? 41 minus 36. Here 11. 11 minus 6 5. Here it will become 3 because we are doing carry now. 3 minus 3 0. 0. No need to write 0. Next, bring down 6. In 9 table, are you going to get 56? If you are not getting 56, a number which is very near to 56 you have to get. So what is that? 9 table we are going to get 54. 6 9s are 54. Minus no? Yes. Here you are going to get the difference is 2. 56 minus 54 means you are going to get 2. Next one, you have to bring down what? 9. Yes, you have to bring down 9. In 9 table are you going to get 29? No. Any less number than 29, are you going to get that one? Yes. 9 3s are 27. No? You are going to get 2 is the remainder. This is the quotient. This is the remainder. Okay. This is the quotient. Let us check. Let us see how to check. So we did the process. How to do the division we learned here. You got 463 as quotient and remainder as 2. How to check? How to check means, here in the heading he has asked to divide and also to check. So we have to do both. Okay. So for checking, I said one thing in the previous class, I think. What is that? This is the divisor and this is called the dividend. So you have to do one thing here. What is that? You have to multiply quotient and divisor. Okay, quotient into divisor. You will get one product. If you are multiplying two numbers, you are going to get one product. For that product, if you are adding the remainder, how much it should be equal to? It should be equal to the dividend. Okay. If you are multiplying this 463 into 9 means quotient into divisor, and for that product, if you are adding the remainder, you should get the dividend. Clear? So let us check. This is like a formula. Okay. So what is the quotient here? 463 into 9. 9 3s are 27. 6 9s are 9 6 and 6 9s are both are same. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 2 56. Okay. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 5 how much? 41. So this is the product. The product for the multiplication of quotient and divisor is 4167. For this you have to add the remainder. What is the remainder? 2 no? 2. How much you are getting? 4169 no? For this if you are adding 2, 7 plus 2 9. Both all are same. Only one digit will change. 4169 is the answer. What is our dividend? What is the dividend here? 4169 only no? So 4169 is what we got after doing all this process. And what is our dividend? 4169 only. So both are equal now. 4169 is equal to 4169. So if you are doing all this process, that must be equal to the dividend. If it is so only, whatever you did is correct, or else it is wrong. Okay. So whatever we did is equal. Both are equal. So this quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to the dividend. You should get this one ultimately for checking. If both these are not equal, that means you have did some mistake. So you have to check once again. Okay. That's all. This is the important formula or important operation to check. Okay. So let us go to the next one. B. What is the B? 7635 divided by 7. Okay. So let us check. Let us do the division and also check. In 7 table, are you going to get 76? No, but you are going to get 70, which is less than 76. 7 tens are 70. Okay. Next, the 76 minus 70 you got 6. Okay. Next, bring down 3. In 7 table, are you going to get 63? Are you going to get 63? Yes, 7 nines are 63. 0. This is 0. Bring down 5. Bring down 5. Okay. So what you will do here? If you are having decimal points, you could do something. But here you are only having 5 now. So you brought down 5. Is 5 divisible with 7? No. So 7 zeros are 0. And you will get ultimately 5 as the remainder. So let us check whether whatever we did is correct or wrong. So this is quotient. This is divisor. This is dividend. This is remainder, no? So let us check. Quotient into divisor. 1090 into 7. Okay. 7 zeros are 0. 7 nines are 63. 7 zeros are 0. Here you are having 6. 7 ones are 7. 7630 is the product of what? Divisor and quotient. For this, what you have to do? You have to add the remainder, no? 5. 7630 plus 5 is equal to how much? 7635. Okay. So whatever the checking we did, what we did? Quotient into divisor. You got 7630. For that you are adding the remainder. What is that? 5. I am writing directly. Try to understand. Don't remember the formula or anything like that. Directly you have to do quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor is how much? You got 7630. For that you are adding the remainder. You got 7635. Okay. So you got 7635. What is this equal to? Is it equal to dividend? 7635, 7635. So these two are equal. Whatever we did and whatever he has given in the question, both are equal. So whatever the process we did is correct. Okay. The checking we will do to check whether we did correct or not. So for that, what is the process? Quotient into divisor plus remainder should be equal to the dividend. Okay. Yes. So whatever we did and whatever he has given in the question, both are same. Both are equal. So in next class we will continue with this 11th bit. This is 11th bit, no? From C we will continue. Okay. So C and D, 11th bit C and D are for your homework. These are for your homework. Once you try, if you are not getting, we will discuss that in the next class. However, I am going to say this C and D, but before I say, you should try once again. Okay. After in next class, however, I will discuss both of them and we will move to the next bit. What is that? 12th bit. Okay. So by this we have concluded our class and we will discuss the next things, next bit and next topics in our next class. Okay.